Have you heard about this Samsung flip phone or whatever? Apparently, you only have to look at it once, and then it gets like stuck inside your mind or something. And the only way to stop it is to switch.
That's like the dumbest thing I've ever heard. There's no way I'd ever switch to Leave. Now.
Don't look! Hey, it's my favorite jacket! Keep moving. They're everywhere. No.
Hey guys, what's going on? Something wrong?
It's great for group shots.
It's great for group shots.
No! Guys, we got Cindy. Let's go.
I can't see anything.
Run!
We need to get out of here.
Don't look. I didn't see anything.
No!
Seriously, what's wrong?
Go!
Should I call for help?
Got one. Go!
And then it gets like stuck inside your mind or something.
Derek? No.
Is that the new one?